Hey guys, how's it going? How to create eye-catching graphics with free online design tools. So you can use Canva for stunning templates. Canva offers thousands of free templates, fonts, and elements to create professional-looking graphics effortlessly. Next, you can leverage Gling AI for quick edits. With its easy to drag and drop interface, you can edit images, add text, and create social media posts in minutes, right? Next, Photor. Try Photor for AI-powered enhancements. Photor provides AI-based tools to remove backgrounds, enhance images, and apply filters for a polished look. Next, you can use Pixlr, right? Or excuse me, you can use CapCut too for advanced editing, a free web or app-based alternative to add Photoshop's layers and powerful editing tools. Lastly, use Snap for quick social media graphics. Easily create platform optimized visuals with pre-made sizes and one-click design options. Start designing today and make your visuals stand out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and catch you in the next time.